Today I'm going to be walking you through the way that I make different breadboarding projects. Today we're going to be making an XOR based alarm. So this just turns off a light once the correct code has been inputted. I'll be breaking it down to 3 steps. 1, simulation. 2, gathering the parts. And 3, actually building it. Then we'll be going over how it works. And I'll even add the datasheet that I use for the gates. So, step 1, simulations. You can see here I've wired up a alarm chip in Sebastian Lague's digital logic sim. That man is an absolute genius for making this. So, as you can see, this alarm chip is hooked up and is currently on. However, if we input the correct code, it will turn off. So if we check what's inside the alarm, we can see it's 4 XORs and 1 not. Is this the best way to build this? Probably not. However, this is what I had. So this is the only way I was able to make it. So then we go to step 2, gathering the parts. To do this project, I'm using an Arduino, not for code, actually as a power source. I'm using 2 jumper cables for power. I'm using a breadboard. Can be a small one like the one I'm using, or it can be a large one, doesn't matter. I'm using the SN74LS86N. I will link the datasheet in the description. Instead of using buttons, I'm using these DIP switches. Very useful for projects with a bunch of inputs like this one. I'm using a standard transistor. 3 1,000 ohm resistors. Whole bunch of tiny wires. Round about 31 LED. And now for step 3, building the alarm. Okay, this is the finished alarm system. We can see that we have our XOR gate, and this transistor acts as the NOT gate, just inverting it. So if we put in the correct code, which is here 1 0 1 0, see it turns off and it stays off. So yeah, that's how it works. Alright, so see you.